Hello guys. In this video today I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username and Instagram name on your account. By Instagram rule, you can only change your username and Instagram name twice in 14 days. So before you proceed with this tutorial to edit or change your name or username on Instagram, decide the username that you want to use first before you go ahead. As you can see, I've already logged onto my Instagram account and this is it. So what I will do now is I will log out of the Instagram account and start all over again. Since we promised to show you step-by-step procedure on how you can change your Instagram username. So as you can see, I've been logged out of my Instagram account. So open your browser, any browser of your choice, either on your computer, your Windows computer or Mac PC. So in this tutorial, we're going to use Chrome browser as our browser to change our Instagram username. So go to instagram.com, enter your username and password and hit the login button. So you'll be logged onto your Instagram account within the space of a few seconds. So there is possibility that you see this information on your screen that says you should save your login info. If you are using a public computer, I would advise you to say not now. But if you are using a personal computer, then you can go ahead and save the information on your PC so that you will not need to enter your username and password when next you want to log into your Instagram account. So in my own case, I am using a personal computer, but I am not going to save my username and password on this PC since I know the username and password offhand. So I will go ahead and click on not now. Now, you will be redirected to your Instagram page. Now, you need to access your Instagram profile so that you can change your Instagram username. To do this, click on your profile logo on the top right or your profile logo above suggestions for you. Then I'll click on settings. You'll be taken to your Instagram profile where you have access to your Instagram username, Instagram name, website, password and the likes. So you go to username, enter the new username you want to use as your Instagram username. Presently I'm using Dotun for Love as my Instagram username. Then let's say I want to use Gadget Right. Now, Instagram will tell you that in most cases you'll be able to change back to your username in another 14 days. Can you see? You have 14 days to change back your username. That shows starting from today to 14 days after changing your Instagram username, you will not be able to change it again. So after this, you can just scroll down and hit the submit button. Now, another thing is if you want to change your Instagram name, go to name, delete the current name you have there. I'm having Adesomi. So you can just change it to your choice of name you want Instagram to be identified you with. So maybe I will choose Ademide Adesomi. So I'll just scroll down and click on the save button. So within the space of few minutes, my username on Instagram and name on Instagram will be changed to the new one, and it cannot be changed for the next 14 days. As you can see, the step-by-step procedure to change your Instagram username is easy to follow, and you should be able to do that with this guide. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you encounter any difficulties, and please subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss our upcoming post, and don't forget to turn on the icon bell so you'll be among the first few people to receive the notification when we share new information on our channel. Thank you.